Zenfy.ac is marketed as an AI-powered learning platform that helps users study more efficiently with features like note-taking, summaries, quizzes, and other educational tools. The platform often encourages users to sign up through a subscription, but the real question is a subscription a red flag? Now, to be fair, subscription-based pricing is common among AI productivity and education platforms. Charging a monthly or yearly fee doesn't automatically make a service untrustworthy. What it does well: AI-powered study tools. It aims to help students organize information, generate summaries, and review material more efficiently. Convenient platform. Everything is accessible online, making it easy to study across different devices. Where the hype falls apart: understand the billing terms. Some users sign up during a free trial or promotional offer without realizing when recurring charges begin. AI isn't always accurate. Generated summaries and answers should still be checked against your course materials. Value depends on usage. If you only use the platform occasionally, a monthly subscription may not be worth the cost. So, should you subscribe to Zenfy.ac? Short answer: maybe, if you'll actually use it. If the features fit your study habits and you're comfortable with the subscription terms, it could be worthwhile. But don't subscribe without understanding the recurring costs and cancellation process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.